let's look at this question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Total is a regular octagon, right? So means we have 8 sides, right? Octagon is the polygon with 8 sides. And the length of each side will be the same because it's a regular octagon, right? So let's draw the octagon. So we have 8 sides, right? A, B, right? C, D, E, F, G, H, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? We have 8 equal length, right? The side is a octagon, right? Octagon. He has 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 vertices here. So now we are not going to study about the angles, right? You are very expert in that. So the question here is very simple. They're asking how many triangles can be formed with the vertices of the octagon as vertices, right? So means that you want to form triangle from these 8 from these 8 vertices, right? So is this 3, is all of the 3 point here, any 3 point, can you say any 3 point here is collinear? Is this 3 collinear? No, right? No, only these 2 collinear. Doesn't matter. As long as the third point is not collinear, you can form a triangle, right? Means you don't have 3 points that are collinear here, right? All is beautiful, all right? Any 3 point here can be formed a triangle, right? Any 3 point. No, nothing, okay? So means that A, very simple. Any 8 vertices can form a triangle by choosing any 3 point here. This one, and this one, you can form a triangle, right? Let's calculate. There's how many triangles? Total have 56. Quite many. If you go and count 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2. Okay, you can just go and count. Okay, and maybe these 3. All right, 1, 2. Okay, you count. Total they will have 56. You must trust it. Okay, you must trust mathematics. You know, you must trust combination and permutation. Without permutation and combination, let's say you have a polygon with 20 sides, right? 20 sides. How are you going to calculate the triangle, right? So you have 56 now. Okay, easy to say. So B. Then they said how many diagonals can be drawn by the joining the vertices. What is diagonal, right? What is diagonal? So, alright, let's say I go for simple one. Pentagon has how many diagonals? A regular pentagon has how many diagonals? I go for a simple one. Let's say pentagon. Very simple. Okay, let's calculate. Right? Diagonal is the line that joining from vertices to vertices, but must excluded the side. Yeah, this side and this point can be formed a line, but this line is not a diagonal. Alright? This is a diagonal. 1, 2, right? 1, 2. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any more? Right? Calculate. 5, right? You have 5 diagonals. Okay? 5 diagonals. So, then this have how many diagonals? Right? How many diagonals? So 6. Okay, let's say you have a hexagon, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have how many diagonals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Is it? 10, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So total you have 10. If I calculate, they have 10, right? Let's see. So, let's do some. Before I talking about this, I talk some simple example first so that you have chance to understand, right? So let's say students say if I want to form diagonal, I just from the 5 vertices I choose 2. It's quite true. All right. You need 2 points only, right? You want to form a diagonal. You want to form diagonal, you just need 2 points, right? So from the 5 points, you choose 2 points. Okay, 5C2. You calculate. You're getting 10, right? Why getting 10? So for this one, okay, you have how many points? 6 points, right? You're taking 6, choose 2. You have 15 points, right? 6 choose 2, you have 15 points. How come? I calculate it's 10 only. Because I said you must exclude the side. Okay, the sides, right? This side is not diagonal. When you said 5 choose 2, 5 choose 2, maybe the 5 choose 2, you have calculated the point, right? Maybe the 5 you're choosing this 2. This 2 you are forming a side, right? So that's why I need to take the 5C2 minus away the side, the number of side. Then after I minus 10 minus with 5, I will getting 5 diagonal, right? So same thing also for this. I take 6C2 minus away, right? 15. So I minus away, 6C2. I need to minus away 6 side, right? So because why? 6C2 total you have 15 line, right? 15 line, but among the line there is 6 is the side, right? The line in between here is the diagonal. So I minus 6. So 6C5 is 15. 6C2 is 15 minus away. Alright, 6C2 is 15. 15 minus 6 supposed to be have 15 minus 6 supposed to be have 9. Why I get 10? Maybe I calculate wrongly. Okay, never mind. Alright, never mind. Let's calculate again, right? I cannot simply, okay, I must prove for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, you see, from this 1, 2, 3, right? 3. So 4, 5, 6, right? So means you add another 3. So 6, right? 6. So now 7. No, cannot, right? This is already. So it's 6, 7, 8, right? 7, 8. So now you have 8, right? You have 8. 8. And then 8. And one more. 9, right? 9. Another one. 9. So suppose you have 9, right? Just now I think I'm calculate wrongly because as it's more vertices, right? So it's actually have 9, right? This is more beautiful than this. So I think this is correct. So 9. So you minus the 6, you're getting 9, right? And this also apply for this. I can do some induction reasoning. I can actually forming a formula, right? I can actually forming a formula by induction reasoning. So where I see if 5 here will be 5, right? If here 6 here will be 6, but this is still 2. Means I can form a formula for number of diagonals, right? Now you see, I can using combination and permutation to form formula, right? Mathematics, right? Mathematics. So I can say NC2 minus N is the formula for diagonal of any regular polygon. Must be regular polygon, alright? So, okay lah, this is, don't talk about this, alright? Let's talk about this. So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, I choosing 2. Wow, if you want to using this 8 and drawing diagonal, somehow you were confused, right? So minus with 8 side, right? I will use induction reasoning, okay? This is called induction reasoning. So 8C2 minus a weight 8, right? I will getting 20 diagonals. Oh, not many, alright? Only 20 diagonals, right? 20 diagonals here. So 8 choosing any 2 and I minus away the 8 side here, right? If you're free, you go and calculate, right? But I'm not going to do that, right? Okay, I think that's all for this video.